Okay, so we've moved on to a new position. There hasn't been many signals, and to be honest, I nearly didn't dig this because I was figuring it was going to be wicked trash because it was about 94, 95 on the 900. But I've gone down, thought I hit something big. I've just cleared the dirt away, and oh my goodness. I'm going to give old Mike the camera and we'll get this out, but I'll tell you what guys, it is pretty cool. Now I'm going to have to be really delicate here because we can see what it is now, and I do not want to damage it. You see that little hint there guys?
Going pretty good, eh?
It is. Yeah. Oh, I think it's loose. It is. Please be all together and intact. Oh guys, look at that! Look at that!
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
That is so clean.
Isn't it? Wow. Holy cow.
Well, that's the find for the day.
Oh.
Oh,
In
the
the ring.
top. Oh man.
Look at the design on it. It's beautiful.
That's cool.